Hi viewers, welcome back to Daddy Fever. Upper versus lower abs. The best exercises for each. Upper versus lower abs. The best exercises for each. The rectus abdominis, your six-pack muscle, runs from your ribcage to your pelvis. While you can't completely isolate the upper abs and lower abs, you can emphasize one area over the other by adjusting your exercises. Best exercises for upper abs. Upper abs are activated more when you focus on curling the torso forward. Number 1. Crunches. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat. Place hands behind your head and curl your shoulders toward your knees. Keep the movement controlled and avoid pulling on your neck. Number 2. Succubus. Similar to crunches but with a full range of motion. Engage your core to lift your torso completely off the ground. Best performed with feet anchored or on a decline bench. Number 3. Cable crunches advanced. Kneel in front of a cable machine with a rope attachment. Hold the rope at your head and crunch down, bringing your elbows toward your knees. Use controlled movements to avoid relying on momentum. Number 4. Decline sit-ups. Use a decline bench to increase resistance. Perform sit-ups with slow, controlled movements for maximum tension. Number 5. Ab rollouts using a wheel or barbell. Start in a kneeling position, gripping the wheel or barbell. Roll forward as far as you can while keeping your core engaged. Roll back to the starting position, using your abs to control the movement. Best exercises for lower abs. The lower abs are more engaged when you focus on lifting the legs or pelvis. Number 1. Leg raises. Lie on your back and lift your legs straight up, then lower them slowly without touching the ground. Keep your lower back pressed into the floor to avoid strain. Number 2. Hanging knee raises, more challenging. Hang from a pull-up bar and bring your knees toward your chest. To increase difficulty, perform straight leg raises instead of bending the knees. Number 3. Reverse crunches. Lie on your back with knees bent. Lift your legs toward the ceiling and curl your lower back off the ground. Slowly lower back down with control. Number 4. Flutter kicks. Lie on your back and lift your legs slightly off the ground. Alternate kicking them up and down in a small, controlled motion. Number 5. Dragon flags, advanced. Lie on a bench and grip behind your head for support. Raise your legs and torso into a straight line, then slowly lower down without touching the bench. Additional tips for stronger abs. Train your core 2 to 3 times per week. Overtraining won't help. Recovery is key. Focus on slow, controlled movements. Momentum reduces ab activation. Use progressive overload, add resistance, reps, or intensity over time. Maintain a low body fat percentage. Visible abs require a lean physique.